What's up guys, it's Big Man Crypto here, and yes, as you can tell by the title, we are back with another passive income gem. Now, the crypto being featured today is called Levenue, and I reached out to this team because I believe this project was very interesting, and you should stick around to the end of the video. Reason being, I have some special news from the protocol, well, from the team, and if you really want to hear that news to see what is really in store for us for the platform, I believe you should stick around, and I believe you should subscribe to the channel as well. But yeah, let's get into it. So basically, Levenue, you're earning 14.1% daily. Now 14.1% daily is a lot. 14.1% daily is perfect, but we should dive a little deeper into the white paper before we start staking any money. Welcome back guys, it's Big Ben Crypto here, and yes, as you could tell by the title, we are back with another passive income gem. Now, the crypto being featured today is called Levenue. Now, I reached out to this team because I believe this project was very interesting, and I believe you should stick to the end of the video because I have some very exciting news that was given to me specifically from the team. So yeah, if you guys would like to hear that news, you should stick around to the end of the video. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's go. So as you can see here, we are earning 14.1% daily guys, daily. Earn 14.1% daily, stable returns for a passive income. Now you can click here to invest, or you can click here to see the white paper. Long lasting ROI contract aiming to pay participants indefinitely. Deposit BUSD stablecoin and get paid as the contract grows in value. Now let's head over to the white paper before we head into the app. Now I believe I read through the white paper already. It's very easy for anyone to understand, I believe so, especially for the newcomers into the space. And yeah, let's go through it. Here's the table of contents, and it says, who are you, or who are we? Let's go. We started our DeFi journey as investors. We have interacted with every type of platform under the sun. We've gotten rugged, we've gotten profits, we've made profits, and we've seen it all. We come from a variety of backgrounds, but one thing that brings us together, or the one thing that brought us together, was our love for smart contracts. Our team is overflowing with creative ideas for how we can make a huge impact on the DeFi space right now. We made plans for games, platforms, and much more. What is Levenue? Levenue is our first project in the DeFi space. It follows an investment model based on SSI with the goal of paying participants indefinitely. The goal of this project is to grow a community of consistently profiting individuals that will be passionate about the mission to build high quality DeFi apps. Our success as an organization is directly tied to the success of the users, which we know is 100% true. We like to create a high profit platform to create a satisfied audience that will support us in the future projects. And that's basically all to it, to be quite honest. The longer as we are satisfied, the protocol grows and everybody wins, to be quite honest. So you can see here, you can read how it works. Our smart contract locks your BUSD for 10, 20, or 30 days and let you withdraw your investment and the profits once the lockup period has ended. These 3 lockup periods differ in how much interest you can gain over time. As you can see, obviously, if you stake your BUSD for 30 days, the interest will be way higher than the 10 days or the 20 days. And me personally, I will be investing in this platform, and I will be choosing the 30 days locked up period. The reason why I'll be choosing the 30 days is because the team has let me in on a small secret. Not really a secret, but the people who choose the 30-day locked up period, we will obviously have way more events coming only for those people who stake or who locked up their BUSD for 30 days. That's a small secret I gave you. How to invest or how to start. Basically, approve the transaction, invest your money, and collect. It's basically that simple, 3 small steps. It says, build and deploy a better more efficient, longer lasting ROI. Now, well, for the people that have been in the space, well, we know with these passive income streams, we know that a lot of our platforms don't last very long. Sometimes they last a couple weeks, a few months, and basically that's it. Or they either drain the either the smart contracts drain and it goes to zero. So as you can see, you can read all these, and it basically says the project information. Let's look at the features here. Lockups. To ensure the contract cannot drain the value, this is very important. Deposits are locked based on a designated locked up periods. This will ensure for a far more longevity compared to other ROI contracts. As I said before, we know that a lot of these contracts here in the passive DeFi or in the passive income space in DeFi, they do not last very long. Withdraw half. We encourage users to use this default withdraw half option on our platform. This will allow us to take profit and reinvest earnings at the same time. This will allow users to profit for longer periods of time and save on gas fees. Now, I believe this is what I will be doing as well, mainly because at the end of the day, let's say you invest $100 and you make $194. Half of that will be reinvested into the platform or into the smart contract so you can continue to earn rewards, and the other half will be sent back to you. So yeah, let's head back over to the app if this will load. So yeah, these are the 3 locked up periods here. The 10-day locked up period is offering 141% return for those 10 days. Now it says plan designed for short-term investors looking to get a quick return. Return rate designed to ensure less of an effect on long-term participants. The 20 days is 191%. Ooh, I like this. Strategy designed to yield optimal returns for those who are looking to set investments on a monthly basis. Best for participants who would like to make recurring monthly investments in other platforms, which is perfect. So for example, you could put some money in here, and every 20 days you could probably claim half, invest it in probably that network or Charge DeFi or Astro Farms. It doesn't matter. I believe this is the perfect strategy. Strategy for that. And then there's the 30-day locked up. Highest yield return policy designed for investors that want to set and forget. They'll set, forget, and make. Make your deposit with a 30-day locked up to get the highest return rate on the platform. As I said before, they will be rewarding us. Well, I can't really say us because I'm not a part yet, but they will be rewarding users who pick the 30-day locked up. And as I said, this is the one that I will be using for sure. The investment dashboard. So as you can see, when you deposit your cash, you will see your current return. You will see the percentage. You will see how much you invested. You will pick 20 and 10, and basically this is basically the calculator. So you say you have $100 in here, you will click your 20 to see how much you would expect to return at the end of those 20 days. The guys who will be investing, well, guys and gals who will be investing for this 30-day locked up, they have more events coming for us and more rewards coming for us as well. So for me, I personally will be choosing the locked up 30-day period. Well, I forgot, got some very special news for the guys. Right, so basically one of the special news that I will be leaking is that number one, they have some airdrops coming. Yep, they have some more airdrops coming, which will be perfect for us. As soon as those airdrops launch, you will normally see it on Twitter. So if you follow me at Big Ben's Crypto on Twitter, you'll be able to get on those airdrops as fast as possible. The next secret will be, boom, they have an audit on the way. Yes, they do. They have an audit on the way, so we'll be looking forward to that as well. And I said, as soon as these things drop, the first place where we featured is on Twitter. And if you're following me on Twitter at Big Ben's Crypto, you will see these things so you don't miss them. And And for the final surprise, they will be launching a new game this week. My buddy told me that a new game is supposed to be launching this week. As I said, once you guys are following me on Twitter at Big Bench Crypto, you will see these updates in live time. All of these socials will be dropped in the description, just in case y'all guys want to check out the project, just in case y'all guys want to invest in the project as well. I will leave all the information down in the description below. And yeah, guys, I believe this one can be a very, very stable passive income source. And yeah, Big Bang Crypto here. One more thing, and also for the people that actually invested on the day of the launch, I heard a small birdie told me that 40% of y'all will be paid early, and y'all were also given a bonus ROI. So guys, if you got in on the project early, please leave it in the comments down below. It's Big Bench Crypto here, out.